Yeah, that last part, along with federation, you want to have some kind of a recovery or disaster recovery model, which is you want to protect your all the users passwords and user accounts. Then you can go for the federation with password hashing. So basically in this mechanism, what will happen is all the authentication will be taken care by the third party federated systems, and also along with all the passwords will be synced with the Active Directory. So that is on the decision tree when you want to make or you inform decisions on the authentication mechanisms. So moving ahead, as I mentioned, Azure AD Connect is a tool that where you can install this, and you can migrate all your on-premise environment users to the cloud. And usually when the users are all synced, you can just see the status in the Azure Active Directory whether all the users are synced or still some more sync needs to be done, and it runs every 5 minutes so that all the users are in sync. And moving ahead, for the multi-factor authentication is a extra additional security you can enable for a couple of users and groups, where it is a something like additional security on top of your email or password authentication. So how basically multi-factor authentication works is, basically it is something the user knows, and something the user has it, and something the user is being asked to verify either through biometric property like a fingerprint or a scan or any mobile device or the authentication app. So that's how so for example, if you see in a lot of new applications nowadays, apart from email signing, it will be OTP based authentication, and either a single fingerprint scan or OTP in email is an additional level of security to prevent any kind of frauds. So basically you can enable Azure Active Directory for the multi-factor authentication. So it needs to have the premium P1 or P2 licenses for this to be get it enabled. In conditional access, basically you can enable users and groups for a particular access. Then you can enable the IAM blade. You can enable what kind of users or groups you want to provide on which kind of conditions. So even MFA, what we talked about on the earlier slide, basically you are providing a conditional access for a user only when the user authenticated properly, both either through password as well as the sign-in, which is specified in the MFA, such as OTP or face recognition and any other modes that is specified. Either you can allow or you can deny. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot.